I think Attract demonstrates that in Europe we are very capable of assembling innovation ecosystems that bring ideas to the market in a nurturing process that is continuous and with different values, like, for example, open science, open innovation, open to the world, which I think they are important, especially in these days.
I'm Lina Galvez, a member of the European Parliament, where we do a policy for research and for innovation. And I think the Attract case is a good case of how collaboration, on how putting knowledge together could flourish what we need for making Europe a place for better innovation and for our global competitiveness, but keeping our values.
I'm the PI of a project named Random Power. When we got started, it was a little bit more than an idea. Now it's ready really to get into the market. So we spinned off a company. We got the support to make us attractive towards the venture capital. We crossed the valley of death, and this was done thanks to Attract.
Thanks to Attract, we were able to initiate a new collaboration at the early stage of my career, which became a phase 2 project. And now we've finally gotten the European Innovation Council Pathfinder project for a big project to match our ambitions onwards.
The most rewarding part of being a part of the academy has been the evolution that the students had. Like when they were initially presented with complicated technologies, the confusion on their faces, and how through doing the project suddenly it changes into wonder. And then at the end it turns into pride when they are like really presenting their prototypes, and that journey has been the most rewarding thing.
The Attract Academy was like a sprint for my personal and professional development. It taught me to look at things from different perspectives, and it gave me the tools to go from my idea into impact.
So I participated in PDP course, which is part of the base program, and I actually became part of the teaching team after that. And for me, it was really interesting to see how the students in the Attract programs kind of get the different kind of faith in their skills to solve these big societal problems. And also for me personally, kind of see the impact that we can create when we try to understand these complex problems.
I work with the CVI tract at CERN, and it's been a wonderful experience because we had the opportunity to work with a multidisciplinary team developing technology about hyperspectral imaging. And we went beyond the limits of our field. So we had the possibility to find a new field of application and work together to get like a new solution for this technology. It's been really inspiring.
Very often during policy conversations here in Brussels, when we talk about stimulating the deep tech economy, they talk about more technology, more money. And the socioeconomic studies of Attract focus more on the human component. That is, what type of personality types are important, how they should be matched, what support mechanisms we need to provide to make sure that these deep tech entrepreneurs can really push through the difficult cycles of deep tech entrepreneurship.
ABC4E designed a training that helps researching being more collaborative across disciplines and across organizations like startups and research centers, university and corporate. So we said that for deep tech, we need to collaborate cross-discipline, we need longer time, different mindsets. It's not easy to collaborate across different mindsets. That's where our training gets into, and we hope it will be scaled through everyone who needs it.
I think Attract is a unique offering in that it's bringing the young entrepreneurs of the future together with the technology and industry, and combining that force at an early stage in their development phase so that they will really understand and work closer together and drive a better technological environment across Europe.
Since the conception of Attract, the idea was just to put together a complex system, putting together the deep tech research infrastructure, the industry, the mind of researchers. They think beyond the unthinkable, and which is the real thing of innovation. And we have proven that this ecosystem, which goes from open science to open innovation, is possible and can be scaled up. Now we hope that this is what is happening in the next framework program, and we are very happy just to be now at this point and ready just to discuss how just to go further.